Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and this video is going to be a review of Born Pretty Store new gel stamping polish in a pot. Yes, so as you can see, this one doesn't come in a tube like the others that we are used to, and this one is a red. There's the name right there, Red Maple in Moonlight. Interesting name. I have already opened it and tested it out, but I wanted to show you here how it comes sealed with this foil. I'm going to go ahead and remove this, guys. So rather than to waste what is already there on the foil, I'm actually going to pick up from that to do the stamping. So here's the shade of red, as you can see, and you can see the glitter in it is somewhat of a like the silvery shimmer glitters in it. And because we obviously, so this is not conducive for applying directly to the plate, and rather than using a bristle brush, I'm going to just pick up, use my silicone tool to pick up just enough. We know that these gel polishes don't take much, you know, a little bit of them goes a long ways for stamping because they do not dry. You're gonna have to put this under the lamp to cure it after stamping your image. So I'm gonna give this a try. Remember, I will have the link down in the description bar below, and you may use my code IDUK31 for a 10% discount. I am going to try these and do a design on these tips where I've already prepped with a gel white base, and because I'm stamping, I'm going to go ahead and do the tips, and then I will have Skinner model them for us. And the plate that I'm going to use, I felt like doing something fun with this Ajuba's X16. Okay guys, so here's the final result on the tips. This is after I applied top coat. Take a look at the images, and yeah, if you are interested in seeing what this might look like against the black, I'll go ahead and show you a picture. But you know how reds are. So, and this is, I would not call this a vibrant red. It's more of a, yeah, it's kind of dark, so it's more like a well, not a burgundy either, but it is a dark red. It's not a vibrant red. Okay, now, so okay, my summary on this glitter stamping gel in a pot. Okay, so on the positive side, yeah, I do like working or stamping with gel polishes. There's a lot of advantages with about them. As far as how I feel about the pot, that can, you know, it might be a preference. You guys saw me use even a brush with the ones in the tube. I went ahead and spread it using a small brush on one of my previous older tutorials, so that's not too bad. Okay, now I will say I was having a hard time picking up part of the images, and I think it had to do more with the scraping. I don't know if it's the shimmer or the glitter in it. You saw how it was really hard for me to get a very clean sweep scraping with this polish around the image, and you can tell it's more obvious around her. This image around here, this one did not bad, but around this one it was a little difficult. So you can see it almost appears as if part of some of the image has bled out, but it does not. That wasn't the case. You saw what was happening on the plate. It's like I would scrape, and for some reason, I don't know why, it just will not allow for a clean sweep or a clean scrape of the image on the plate. I just don't know why. Now with this image, I showed the advantage of, another advantage of gel polishes, you know, it does tend to leave some of the image behind even after your initial placement or initial stamp of the image. And with these, I forgot how long these nails are, so with these nails being longer than the actual image, I went down, and I did it on this one too, with part of the image that was still on the stamper. I went and finished right against at the bottom of the tip to give it that continuous look of the image, like it actually fit. So that's another great advantage. So yeah, those are my thoughts, pros and cons on this particular glitter gel. Why they came up with this in a pot versus the tubes that they already have, I don't know. But the ones in the tubes are all creams. These in the pots are in different colors. They come in different colors, and these are glitters. So you saw the finish there, how I show you, and a little bit of it goes a long way. So the finish is very pretty. I do like the finish of it. Get it to focus. And it's not such an, I mean, that's why I kept it put it against the cream base. I'm trying to see so how much of that shimmer will actually show. But like I said, I will have the link down in the description bar below, and remember my discount ID UK31 for a 10% discount. If you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me this beautiful polish to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.